Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. If you haven't noticed that I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, well, I've been busy remodeling a room here. This used to be like a storage room I used to use it for, but now it's going to be a 3D print interface building room, and etc. etc. So I had to take everything out of the room. I textured the walls, painted everything all up, put in a nice little throw rug, all that good stuff. So that's what I've been doing, and that's why you haven't seen a lot of videos. Now, I'm about done in this room finally. I do got to add 2 more shelves over there so I can get some of this radio gear off of there. But I'm nearing the end of getting this done. The workbenches are custom built out of 2x4 and plywood. This is the 3D print area over here. Maybe if you guys are interested, I'll do some 3D print videos. Let me know in the comments below. This is the computer section. As you can see, I have 3 TVs. I'll explain more about that in a minute. And then this is the interface prototype building area. Now, I'm trying to put a lot of shelving up, and that's why I want to put more shelves over there. There's a shelf there, and there's a shelf over here. Now, the reason being is just to try to get some of this cleaned up, like this radio gear, and maybe I can have more room to put more stuff in here. The repeater's not in here. That's going to stay out in the shack because I don't want to move my antenna. Now, back to this. What I did here is I run 3 TVs as monitors. They're an HDMI input 1. I can, or 2 TVs that are monitors. The 3rd TV is like just for Netflix or whatever I want to use it for. I do have an HDMI cable coming down that I could plug into a mini PC or whatever. These 2 I have hooked up to this computer. And if you're wondering how do I have 3 different screens, I have a special box that you can't see that's plugged in right there. You can see it. And this lets me have 3 different extended screens, they call this, which is nice because I can have one screen do CAD software. The other screen can be used for looking things up or do another interface board design or whatever. Then the computer screen itself. Now, a tip: if you're going to do this setup, what I found, at least with the TVs I have here, make sure the TV says in the corner on the TV, Rukio TV. And the reason being is because when it has that name on it, there is a power on menu settings that lets you tell the TV when you turn it on, go to an input. In this case, I have both TVs set to HDMI, so I don't have to fumble with the remote. Now, if you do this, get 2 the exact models, because then you just use one remote, hit the power button, and it goes right to the inputs. So that's why I recommend doing that. Matter of fact, I had this TV down here and that one up there. Well, that TV don't have it, and it doesn't say Rukio on the TV. So I switched them. That's why there's a little bit of a difference there in the mounting brackets, but no big deal. But at any rate, I switched them, and so that's what I've learned, and this works really good. I really like this setup. So that's how you do that. As for the box, you can buy that box on eBay. They're not too expensive if you want to have an additional monitor. If you don't do that, the computer itself usually has an HDMI, and it lets you do the computer and 1 TV as an extended screen. So, but I wanted another one, so that's why I got the box. But anyway, it's been working good so far. I've ran it with that box all day here the other day, and it's been working great. Oh, and been playing around. I 3D printed some enclosures for the interface board. I'm working on that still, some different designs. I'm kind of playing around with it. With the boards I already have out there, I got to make it so you can just set the board in there. I don't want to have to do anything. So I'm tweaking this and doing some tweaking. Here's a cover for it that goes on there. But we'll see. I may change designs. I'm not sure. I'm still playing with that. So I've been working on that behind the scenes. That's really about it. I'm still organizing the room. I still got to put stuff away. But yeah, there you have it. And like I said, if you're interested in some 3D print videos, let me know. I can definitely do some of those. A lot of things I'm finding out really quick. Sometimes you got to learn the hard way. But hey, we're finding things out. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.